Alright, today we're gonna be putting in our floor mat, BedRug floor liner, and we're gonna be putting sound deadening material all on the walls and the ceiling because it is super loud whenever I'm driving. This floor liner, the brand is called BedRug and it's their VanTred product, and that's the product number VTFT15L for the Ford Transit long wheelbase 2015 and up. It's long wheelbase without extended back. So this is the top. It has like a rubber texture to it. Inside is kind of like foam and it's molded to these grooves. So I'm gonna take this out and put it on and we'll see. Alright, so I just got it out of the box. This is what it looks like. I'm rolling it. It's gonna be hard to put on, so I'm gonna have to put it on and show you afterwards. Alright, I just rolled it on. It's a pretty easy install. You just roll it into place and it's already relatively flat. Once I put my tools on it, it should be good. It's pretty nice and sturdy, and it's soft enough to walk on crawl on your knees and not hurt. And again, it's like custom fit perfectly to match the grooves for your van, your specific model. I need to get something right here though, some kind of, maybe I'll screw in a piece of plywood here so I can not scratch this up. But overall, it's pretty nice. It is a little thick though. Adds about an inch to your floor. Adds about an inch. Yeah, I'd say so. So, oh, it's 3/4, so it adds 3/4 to your floor, maybe a little less. It's not too bad. So probably between 1/2 inch to 3/4 to your floor, but it's nice. Protects your floor. Pretty durable material. It's like a rubber top layer with foam underneath underlayment. Next, I'm installing the sound deadening material by Silas.